So I am about to, I got a package today, so I'm about to open it. Hair growth series. Yeah, so I'm about to show what I got. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Ooh, ooh, what is that? Oh. Before I get into that, y'all, we gotta open this so that we can, it's giving aesthetics. It's giving aesthetics. Okay, so let me, yeah, so we're gonna open this. Yes, sir, I am. All right, so move my laptop over. I got my little desk station going on the setup. Okay, so I got a cord. This look like it could even go with the iPhone. Y'all. No, just wait for it. Because I am just, ever since I found it, I've been obsessed, and it arrived, and I feel like I'm just even more obsessed, like obsessed. So let's figure out, do it come with like a, it do. All right, so we're gonna follow the instructions on how to open it. So you really gotta pull. Okay, it's a pull, but it's not too bad of a pull. It says 40. So it say pull it. Maybe we should extend all of it, but it says 40 centimeters. And then it say take this one out the bottom. Okay. I wish it was pink and not black, but we got a little controller vola. Okay. Hold on. Then it say pull this. How I'm supposed to pull that? Oh my gosh, how I'm supposed to pull that with these nails? Oh, okay. Well, that's one, but like, do the rest of them. This one a little bit harder, but okay, not too bad. All right. Then it say turn the lamp, stand it. Okay, so it's stand, and then maybe if we put this lower so y'all can see what's going on. Okay, so that goes like that. Cool. Maybe if we put it lower. Yeah. And you can actually attach it like a ring light. And then press and hold the on and off button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Short press to adjust the brightness and the color of the light. Oh. 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 So we probably want that one. Oh. 2, 3, want this one. Okay. That, and then place the mobile so the phone can go in there. And then so there's like a charging, there's a charging bolt there, like a charging place, a cable to charge. So that's what the cord is for. And then it just shows how to close it. And then we got our controller. So let's see how long it really is. It's giving, it's pretty long. Yeah, it's long. Oh my gosh. It is long. It's cute. I feel like we probably don't need the ring light, but it might appear brighter in the video when I get to like, but yeah, it's so cute. It is so cute. And then you just pack it up and then you just carry this and then you got your tripod. Cute. Yeah. It's chargeable. It's chargeable, so that's really cute and I'm super excited. So now that's what we're gonna do. I don't know how. Okay, so oh, it goes on both sides. Okay. I just had to. Okay, so I want to open it like closer to the window so that the lighting is just a lot better. So I got my box. Maybe I sit on the bed and open it like that. I don't know. And bring this down a little bit and kind of just. All right, so I know that I have scissors somewhere, but okay, so let me show y'all what come in the box. So this looks like it's called a replacement canvas. So this is probably like an extra, like the seating part, either the seating part or like the top part. Yeah, I probably shouldn't be doing all this kind of lifting like that, so I'm gonna just kind of like lean it and like take it out like that. I really hope that this is not like, it don't really fold like how I expected it to fold, but I was kind of hoping that it's not really something major to like put together, like no drill, because I ain't got that. I ain't got that stuff. I'll put it over here. Make sure that if we got the box. All right, so giving a little bit of screw stuff, but this right here look like it's only one and it's supposed to be two. But we're gonna open that piece. Looks like it's the armrest, and it looks like they only gave me one piece of the armrest. And there's supposed to be 2. It's not even an extra piece, that is the piece. So I'm going to, it doesn't come with no like instructions, but my battery running low. My battery on 10%. I sure as hell should have thought about charging before. Yeah, so I've never, this is my first one of these. I really don't know how to like use it or like what old instructions is in here. It come with instructions. Oh, that's the foot thing. Okay, so it's the footrest. So it's giving a little bit of screwing, but it's supposed to come out like that. We gonna work on it. We gonna work to get it from looking like this to, I don't know. Oh, so I'm guessing, okay, so this is probably the bottom. I don't know how to open it. No, this is the bottom. But I don't know how to open it though. Like, it's not, it's stiff. Oh shoot. It's giving real stiff. Alright. So we got a little something going on. It's stiff though, like it's so stiff. Okay. So we got it like looking a little bit together. It's cute. You think I could fit that? Might be a little bit snuggy, but just a little bit. I felt like it was going to because I had hopes in it, but it's doable, but I felt like it could go bigger. So this is probably the bottom part, and then this top part. And yeah, so we got the instructions. How about we move this and plug the phone in so that it charge while it's charge it. The phone should be charging. Working and working and working. Okay, so it say that this should be bent like that, and then the seat cover goes in. So I'm assuming you just easy breezy. Okay. This stuff is like, I feel like the sides here, they be like so stiff. Like, I gotta close it a little bit. Y'all, it's cute and all, but it's giving a lot of extra work to, like, I'm tired, man. I'm out of breath already. The tools of it be too stiff. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be this hard to, like, it's gotta come closer though, because it has to slide it in like this. Do it say that in the instructions? No, and that's what you need to do. So that when you open it, unless it's the wrong size, put that in like this. And then this part, like the wood, don't want that to get cut in my foot. Maybe I should do it the other way. It's already got some. And then we're gonna put on the back piece. So, and then we gonna open it up some more, or maybe if I just because it's giving stiff, and it's giving stiff to like clothes and stuff. But it's cute. It is, it's cute. So we finally got that. That finally came in. I'm super, super excited about that. Probably raise this up here. Okay. So ta-da. Bada bing, bada boom. So, and then this is the footrest. It's supposed to go like right here. I could probably install that later, but I'm gonna leave that right here for now because it's shiny. But yeah, so that is that. I'll put this stuff there. Okay, I'm out. Y'all know what it is. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. So I've been having some ideas for like, cause my 2-year hair journey is approaching in a few months, and I feel like I wanna do like a video like going to like the salon and doing like a certain style. But I'm not sure. So maybe we'll do that. But I have plans for my hair, y'all. I have plans and I'm super excited, but yeah. We'll see what happens. 2 years and we at like from like scalp, like shine scalp. 2 years, not bad. But yeah. See you on the next diaries.